Hello, holiday makers. Today we are diving into the cheerful and fluffy craft that never goes out of style pom-pom. X-Max decorations, whether you're using yarn pom-poms pre made, fuzzy ones, or even create your own with leftover wool. Pom-poms are the perfect way to add color, softness, and joy to your X-Max decor. In this video, I will share different ideas you can try at home, from ornaments and garlands to creative mini trees and wreath. Let's get started. First, material and basic things you have to need that. You have to take that. Yarn in festive colors like red, green, white, gold, and silver. A pom-pom makers or simply use cardboard circles or a fork. Scissors, optional decorations, beads, sequins, ribbons, or bells. Hot glue or fabrics glue. Making pom-pom is easy. Wrap yarn around a pom-pom makers, light it tightly in the center, cut the loops and fluff it up. If you don't have a pom-pom makers, a fork or cardboard circle works just fine. The more yarn you wrap, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. And the next is pom-pom ornaments. Let's start with the simplest idea. Pom-pom ornaments: just attach a ribbon loop to your pom-pom and hang it directly on the X-Mix tree. Mix and match colors for a playful look. You can even glue on googly eyes to make funny little characters. Kids especially love these. For an elegant style, try making gold and white pom-poms and colorful attraction. Children want to love to do that and combine them with metallic ribbons. Now next is pom-pom garlands. Next up is a pom-pom garlands. Thread several pom-pom onto a long piece of yarn or twine, alternating colors like red, white, or green for a candy cane effect. Hang the garlands across your fireplace, staircase, railing, or even around the window. It instantly makes your piece festive, cozy, and full of holiday spirit. Pom-pom are not just for hanging, you can build whole decoration out of them. For pom-pom X-Max tree, take a cardboard cone and glue green poms all around until it's covered. Add smaller colorful pom-poms as ornaments. You will have a soft, fluffy tree that's perfect as a centerpiece. You can also create a pom's create wreath. Use a circular base made of cardboard, foam, or wire. Then glue poms of different sizes around them. Add a big bow on top. And you have got handmade wreath that's festive and fun. These advice for our viewers and subscriber, and hope you like their designs and ideas. So you can also create a pom-pom wreath. Use a circular base made of cardboard, foam, or wire, and then glue poms of different sizes around it. Add a big bow on top, and you have got a handmade wreath that's festive and fun. And that's it. Your home can now sparkle with fun and family. Pom-poms, X-Max crafts, whether it's ornaments, garlands, mini trees, or wreath. Pom-poms brings a playful handmade touch that everyone will love. These crafts are budget-friendly, kid-friendly, and a wonderful way to spend cozy evening leading up to festival. So grab your yarn, wrapping, and let the pom-pom magic fill your home this holiday season. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative X-Mix crafts ideas. Wishing you a warm, colorful, and joyful holiday season. Thank you for watching and joining us. We will try to upload the next and beautiful design, best and colorful collection. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We will try to upload the best and beautiful designs, creative ideas, and you have to know that we are creating the best ideas and best designs. We will create a definitely beautiful collection. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We try to bring that amazing ideas and designs. This collection is especially for upcoming holiday season, and I think it's useful for you, and you can getting ideas by this video. You can create a best creativity in this season with your child and everyone who is love to do crafting. So stay blessed. God bless you all. Have a very nice and beautiful day. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness and joy. Thank you. And now talk about this is perfect for your bird home. This is perfect and elegant style and creativity ideas for you can do with your children as well as your family get together. If you want to watch more designs like this, please follow our channel and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we will try to upload the best and beautiful design for viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Subscribe.